Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Now this video might seem a little off topic compared to my other videos, but it still falls under that how-to category, and well, I'm pretty excited to share it with you. Now if you own one of these pellet grills, you might find a lot of smoke and flavor escapes from these lids. I found that out with mine, so I decided to fix that. I purchased this lava lock 1/2 inch by 1/8 inch high temperature gasket. I grabbed this online, which I'll link below if you guys are curious. This was easy to install and only took a few minutes to do so, and it made a world of difference. You can see the before and after in these next few shots, and as I said earlier, I was amazed at how well this works. Now not only is that going to keep that smoke and flavor in, but it's going to keep those temperatures more consistent, so there actually is quite a few benefits in doing this. You can see there all that smoke coming out of the rear exhaust like it's designed to do. So I was pretty happy when I saw that. First thing we want to do is clean off any grease and debris. I used 99% alcohol in a spray bottle and scrubbed it clean. Once this has been completed, there's 2 locations this gasket can be placed. 1 on the base of the grill, or 2 on the lid, which I would recommend. If the gasket is placed on the base of the grill, it'll be more prone to getting damaged and dirty when you're pulling meats off and on the grill. So I like to keep everything tidy, so I picked a spot which was the center of the lid, and that's where I started my gasket. Now as you can see there, I notched the corner. That's just so I can bend this gasket around the radius of that lid. This just keeps one consistent piece, which I would recommend doing. That way you don't have 4 corners that could potentially lift if you were to cut each piece individually. Now once this is all complete, we can close the lid. Make sure this gasket is making great contact all the way around the base of the grill. If you need to make any adjustments, you can do that now. But if you're happy with everything, just leave that lid closed, and they do recommend leaving it for about 24 hours. And that's just to make sure that adhesive has made a good bond to that metal lid. And just like that, you're done. Now let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. And like I said, I will link this product in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And happy grilling. See you on the next one.